everyone, this is Dheeraj. Today I am going to explain the story of the lady and the lion prince. Once upon a time, there is a merchant who is also a father with three daughters. He liked the third daughter the much because she is so young. And one day he wanted to go to other city for a business deal. So he asked his three daughters for what they want to bring when he's coming back. The three daughters asked, the eldest daughter asked pearls, the second daughter asked diamonds, and the third daughter asked the nightingale. The After his business deal, while he is coming back, he took the pearls and diamonds from the market and cannot find the nightingale in any shop. He went to the forest in search of nightingale. There he saw a nightingale and tried to catch it. Then a lion prince came there and tried to kill him because the nightingale is the property of the lion prince. He would spare his life. He kept a condition that he would spare his life only if he submit the human whom he meet the first after reaching his house. After reaching his house, the third daughter or Emilia talks with the father first. The father explains what did happen and send Emilia to the lion prince. Then the lion prince saw the Emilia and fell in love with her and asked to be her wife. Suddenly, due to a moonlight ray came and touched the lion prince, which changed him to a handsome prince. He Emilia also fell in love with the handsome prince, and they both married each other. The secret behind this is he had and he was enchanted that on the daytime he will be like a lion, and at the night time he would come back as a prince. Uh, he explained everything to the Emilia. After a few years, the marriage of the eldest sister was decided. So the Emilia want to go there with the prince and did an arrangement such that no ray of light is touching him, but a small crack is there in the house. What she arranged. When he is taking rest at the house, the ray of light touched him and he was changed into a dove. He should fly until 7 years and can leave a feather for every 7 steps. He said the same thing to the Emilia, and Emilia followed him for 7 years. It was almost over, but he was suddenly missing. He Emilia prayed sun, moon, and the wind, so that they gave a magical chest and magical egg and a magical wand to the Emilia to to use in need. The wind said that he wind saw the prince at the Pacific Ocean fighting with an dragon. Then he then the Emilia went to the Pacific Ocean through the help of a genie and saw that a lion, which is the prince, is fighting with a enchanted dragon. With the magical wand, she permanently made the dragon and the lion into the normal human forms. The dragon which was changed is a princess Aesthesia, who fall in love with the handsome prince after seeing him. With a magical spell, the princess of the kingdom made to forget everything that in the prince's mind and took him to the kingdom to marry him. Through the help of the genie, Emilia also went to the kingdom. Then, with the help of magical chest and the magical egg, her dress was changed into the golden dress, and golden hen came into her hands. The princess liked that very much and asked to buy her and asked to sell her to him. Then she kept an condition such that she would speak to the prince for one night alone. She accepted it since she was very greedy. Then in the bedroom, She said everything what has happened to the prince. Then the prince remembered everything and they went back to their kingdom silently. From then they lived happily because he was permanently changed into the prince, and the people or the soldiers of that kingdom were changed from lions to humans again. Thank you.